watching Loft. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. And property location, and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category A. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. These categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in this property, you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.